Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare your Figma account for a stitch design. Okay, so first up, go and log into your Figma account. Okay, once logged in, just go ahead and click on design right here at the top right. Give it a name from Stitch, for example. Okay, and once that's done, you can go ahead and close out this window and it will automatically save. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and prepare or look for Stitch to Figma converter. Okay, just hit on enter. Now go ahead and look for Stitch to Figma right here from Figma itself. This one is a plugin. So when you click on it, go ahead and click on open in what project. Let's go ahead and select from Stitch right here, and it will open up the project. Now here we have a pop-up. So what you're going to do in here, just click on this blue button that says run. Okay, click on run and it will open up a pop-up. It will need a zip file. Okay, so where do we get the zip file? So whenever you're ready with your Stitch project right here, let's say I'm going to go ahead and download another one. I'm going to go ahead over to my projects. And I'm going to go ahead and select this desktop web design. There you go. Now, I'm just going to delete these right here. Now I'm left with 3 stages. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the top left, hit on download project, like so. Wait for it to load and save it wherever you want, and it will be a zip file. And if you just want to download a single page or stage, right click on it and just hit on download. Okay, now once that's downloaded right here, we'll go ahead over to the Stitch project or design, click on browse, select a web desktop, okay, or if it's a mobile project, well, select a mobile right here. Edit the export size if you want to, and the import source should be a zip file. Or if you want the HTML version, click on HTML right here and just go to Stitch, right click. Now click on view code, copy the code right here, go back to Figma and just paste. Okay. Once done, you can go ahead and click on import HTML code and wait for it to process. There you go. Okay, now let's go back. I'm just going to delete this one, upload or browse from a zip file. Click on browse, Stitch conversation, open. So 3 stages right here, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what you'll do is just click on add all or add selected. Okay, add all, 1, 2, 3. If you want to include a preview of the images, okay, you will be able to see 6 as chat window right here will include a preview image, conversation, and sign up as well. So I'm just going to untick this one and click on add 3 to Figma. There you go. Just wait for it to load. Now once it loads, hit on OK right here, close this prompt, and continue working with Figma right here. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.